progressively. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the vlog. For those of you who don't know, we live super close to Oshkosh, Wisconsin, and right now the EAA is going on. For those of you who don't know what the EAA is, it's basically the largest aviation gathering, celebration, what you would want to call it, I think, in the world, or at least one of the biggest ones. And tonight they have a night air show, and oh my gosh, I'm trying to grab the bags out of this truck and it's harder than I thought it was. Okay, yeah, so tonight they have the night show going on, and last year we did pay to go into the grounds to watch it, and it's super cool. They have a bunch of planes that fly, obviously, and then they have a large fireworks show and drone show that's super cool. But we are obviously balling on a budget right now for the wedding, so we're gonna try and find the closest spot possible to the runway outside of the grounds. And we're also gonna go pick up dinner and make a little picnic out of it. So yeah, come along with us. We secured the food. Beer seemed necessary for the show, right? I'm really excited to try this. There somehow was one last parking spot. Totally thought like I found something special on the map, but no, everyone knows about it. Here or over there? What do you think gives you the best view? I think this is definitely the closest we were gonna get. There's a couple other streets that I mapped out that we tried to get to, but they were all closed. So I kind of thought that might happen, but this is still pretty good view. Because there's the runway. Hey, babe. Hey. This looks so good. Yeah, that thing is huge. It's too bad we didn't get dessert. You can't not have dessert on your birthday. I have a surprise for you. And I'm making an absolute mess. I'm trying to make sourdough cookies for Cash, and I'm gonna surprise him with them later. They look pretty good. I did taste some of the batter and it tastes really good. But I don't want to try the actual cookies. I want to try them with Cash. So I'm going to surprise them with them later. Hopefully they turned out. Because, I mean, they look pretty good. But I am by no means any sort of baker. I'm probably going to have to do one more batch after this. Alright, I finished them all. Here's how they turned out. I feel like every single batch is different, and they also just like progressively got better. Like this batch seems perfect. This one was definitely cooked too long. I feel like these ones maybe not long enough. Then these ones I think are perfect. You know how you've been obsessed with those sourdough cookies that we get from the farm stand?
Yeah.
The farm stand was closed, so I couldn't get them from the farm stand, but I attempted to make them myself.
Really?
Yeah.
How the hell did you do that?
With sourdough.
Really? Where'd you have sourdough?
In the fridge. I brought one from, so I made 3 batches, and I brought one from each batch. That was the first batch, and I feel like it got a little burnt. And then second batch, I feel like maybe wasn't in long enough, and then third batch seemed like perfect, so. But I didn't have chocolate chips, so I improvised with M&Ms. And Reese's Pieces, but I wasn't sure how it would turn out. Let me try it.
That's pretty good.
Let me try the burnt one. It was actually pretty good.
I think it's good.
What time is it?
7:25.
Okay, I think the night show starts at like 8. So we still have like a half hour. Was that supposed to happen? That's wild. Did he jump? Oh, 2 of them jumped. That's wild.
That's cool.
Yeah.
The show is on. We now
1,
have
2,
members
3,
of
4,
the
5,
Golden
6,
Knights
7,
rapidly approaching
8,
speed
9 of them.
120 miles per hour.
There's more than
These
that.
Oh yeah, they're
just
everywhere.
separated and perform our bomb burst maneuver. Watch for the
I think-
parachutes.
There's 2 of them that don't have legs
And
on
there,
it.
you have the high-flying black and gold of your United States Army parachute team, the Golden Knights.
Maybe more, I don't know.
Yeah,
Now,
you're getting
at
closer
a busy
now.
airport, takes a great deal of concentration to land dead center on the target. We had to dip out early from the night show because we were getting so tired. It's like almost 10:30 right now, and we both have to get up early for work. But there's another show on Saturday that I think we're going to try and go to. The spot that we had tonight was pretty good, but there was one other spot on the map I wanted to try and go scope out. So I think we'll do that on Saturday. We'll see if we can even get there, but yeah. We'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye.